I'm the most static climber. If I can find a static beta to a dynamic move, I will do the static beta.
Dang, that was so freaking cool. We're at Cliffs of Id with Christian, AKA Breaking Beta. We're gonna try 6 comp climbs to show 5 insane styles of dynos and see how many he can do.
Hopefully some.
What grade have you climbed outdoors so far?
V10.
Okay, V10 outdoor climber. This guy is the real deal. So we're gonna see what he can do. We'll break down each of the climbs and we'll try and send as many as we can. It's so cringy doing intros, I hate it.
No, I know. This is gonna be terrible.
Oh, it's gonna be chill, it's so chill.
Okay, I'm just gonna pull off the ground.
Yeah, just work through it. Come on, it's good.
Okay.
You know, I'm here with Breaking Beta. He sends V10 outdoors. Makes me really nervous.
I send V4 indoors though.
Oh, what's going on? Oh no.
The camera pressure.
I'm really frustrated. Okay, cue playback of when I sent it.
Yeah, I was totally serious about that. For some reason, I just couldn't send this climb today, but I wanted to give you a look at how it worked before Christian jumps on it again. So we're gonna rock over this right foot to pop up to this Frisbee jug with a one-hand catch. And don't worry, I promise this will be the only time that we look at archival footage for the rest of this piece. Let's see how Christian does on his next attempt.
I think I know what I'm gonna steal from you. Because I did notice that I wanted to go into the, like a ret above the start hold.
Yeah.
But I was like trying to grab right above. I saw you go all the way up. I think that will help.
There you go, come on. Yeah.
Oh, that's a jug.
There you go.
Once I got my right hand up on the arete, like I saw you do, I don't know if you noticed, but I like just stay there. And I couldn't even look up because once I looked up, I was going. So I was like paused. I'm like, okay, once I look up, I'm going. But I definitely had to, like, once I was set up, wait a beat. I don't think I could do it how you did, where like your foot hit and you went. I completely expect to slip on the first couple of goes.
It's the commitment. The commitment's everything for this
You're
one.
wearing the right shoes, I'm not.
That was almost there.
That was as close as you can get.
Yeah.
Next one's a send.
Dang it.
I put too much, I need to stop talking.
Yeah, just stop talking to me. Leave.
This is just so not my style that I need to really think.
Just like all other climbing, it's about trusting the feet and being close to the wall. There you go, come on. That's perfect.
Okay.
Okay.
Trying to reach left hand,
your
stick
back
this.
arms, they leave the wall too soon. You're not pulling in close enough. So I should see your hand.
Leave the right hand longer?
Yeah. I should see your right hand past your body.
So hard.
Here, now that I'm talking about it, maybe I can do it.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can not talk, but also do it. This is what you call insecure self-image. So I need to inform you that I sent 3 of these climbs before you were here, and now I'm too nervous and I feel like I can't do them again, but I'm gonna give my best to actually do it again.
I haven't practiced this style enough. It takes so much
It really does.
effort. Nice, Joe.
There we go.
Come on.
That was a little scary.
Finish it.
I did it. I sent one thing. All right, pressure's off.
In your video, I saw that you just basically hop off the left. I was trying to like tippy toe my way across. Okay.
You got this, come on. Really pulling close to the wall. That's it, come on, hold it.
Okay. That's it.
The only thing you didn't do there was pull in. Like, you got the hold.
I had it definitely good enough to hold. I wasn't mentally prepared to actually grab it.
As I do these climbs more and more, I think I'll actually get slower, not faster, because the true hard part is finding the appropriate amount of speed. So sometimes you're scared and you go too fast. Other times you're scared that you're not gonna reach it, so you go too much. But all that force that you create, you have to control. Oh, superhero landing.
I think that was like a too fast kind of thing. I also hit it way different. Right here, this is it.
I believe it, let's see it. Let's go, that's it, hold it.
They all feel different. All right, what am I learning? I think I'm gonna try to go slower.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, slower.
Well done.
Yeah, I was going way too hard before.
High, there you go.
The first time when I hit it like this, I kind of had the right body position for what I wanted, but I came in way too hot. That time I just chose to slow down and it worked. Hey.
Nice. Let's go.
Slowing it down was key.
Oh shoot, the run and jump one is open. Let's go do that. This is probably V3, V4-ish, but the move is still scary if you've never done it before.
I think I've seen some with higher steps, and those are scary. Because you feel like you're gonna miss and hit your shin. This one looks okay.
Yeah. Venga, come on.
I thought I was gonna jump off one foot, but that momentum's really nice. Where like, once you actually jump on, I had quick enough thoughts of, like, I can put my other foot here. Well, and then jump.
So that's what I most want to show people with dynamic climbing, is that it is static climbing, just with rhythm. Like with static climbing, you can take as much of a break between moves as possible. With dynamic climbing, it's like 1, 2, 3. And that's what's so much fun about it, is like, there is a moment where you're static and you're standing on your foot. And if you just trust that, it's not as scary as it could be. Oh, how did I do this move?
Oh, come on, Joe.
There we go.
Oh, there's a white foot there. I didn't even see that.
When I did this last time, there was no other holds, so I smeared somewhere that now I couldn't smear it. I got so confused. Okay, cool. That's 2 out of 3. So I've never done a paddle dyno before. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have no idea if I can get this, but I'm really excited. So let's just see how it goes. It's so hard. It's so hard. I want to see if you can do this. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, come on. You were so close.
Physically, I think I can do it. I got scared real fast. I think I got nervous when I realized I was actually potentially gonna grab it.
Yeah, you were
oh, no,
there. Like your middle finger was above the jug almost.
I'm gonna harness my inner Tomoe Narasaki right now.
Do it. Come on, Tomoe vibes. Come on.
Oh, what is a jug? Okay, okay.
Come on, that's it.
I hit it shallow that time. I think I was looking ahead. So I hit the middle one, not as good.
Spamming attempts on these kinds of climbs is actually kind of helpful because you don't want to lose whatever you learn.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
You got it, come on.
Like the white one when I got close.
Uh-huh.
You know how I told you I get nervous once I know I can do it?
Yeah.
That's
Come
where I'm
on.
at with this one.
Here's a secret. In order to animate a shot, I need the camera to be wide and steady. So if I think somebody's gonna send, this is how I hold it.
That's it, come on, come on. Woo!
Yes.
Dang, that was so freaking cool. I want to get that. Every time I learn a new move, I'm like, the coolest move in climbing. But right now, I think this is the coolest move in climbing. Oh!
The go before I got it, I think I was really thinking about the last hold. Made me totally botch. The middle one, I think the middle one gives you enough time where, at least for me, I didn't have to think about the last hold until I was already controlling this one.
So all you're thinking about is grabbing and controlling that
Really
hold.
getting the first hold really good. Move my attention to the next hold while I was on here.
I love that.
When I tried thinking about the second move, the first move all of a sudden was hard.
Because I wasn't athletic before I started climbing, I trust my lower body way more than my upper body. So on run and jumps, I think I naturally weight that foot. But here, I can't trust my foot because I'm mid-air. So I think I really need to trust my upper body, engage, squeeze, and then just fall into that next hold. So I'll try and do that now.
Better. You're gonna get it.
Man, my wrist is tweaking. When I catch that sideways momentum, this pops really bad. I'll keep coming back to it after a few minutes rest. Oh, okay.
I've never done a Lache, but it looks like when you do one, you don't just throw your feet forward, but you also snap your chest back so that you're correcting in the air.
Yeah.
And it looks like you definitely need to correct here.
Of the ones we've tried, number-wise, this is the hardest.
What number is this one?
71. You jump into it.
Is it scary?
It's scary and it's hard to generate feels. It's scary and it's hard. That's it, come on. You're there.
Okay. Oh. It's not bad for a first go. I was leaning back a little too much. I caught it like this.
Yeah.
If I can, but I didn't commit that much, so I think I can fix that easily.
That was really great. That was really impressive. It's funny because you told me that you were gonna like not send anything, and so far you're 4 of 4.
I'm just not used to setting like this because my gym sets them based off more of strength and less so coordination. I guess coordination is a little more achievable than I thought.
Beautiful.
I want to go right hand first, but when I do right foot first, it makes me want to go left hand. But if I do this, I'm gonna have to do a twisting motion. Maybe both. Oh, just bigger, so. Okay. Yeah, it's a little more 1-2 this way, but then I can lead with my right. Because when I go with my left, I'm leading with the further hand.
Right,
I think I can do that right now.
Yeah, you got it, come on. Yes, yes, yes. There you
Dude,
go.
that's sick.
Dude, that's so sick.
Oh.
Oh, man.
Okay.
You got that first move down.
It's a little scary. I felt the stretch once I caught it, like all the way through. Oh, I missed it.
But I love the commitment.
I hit right here. I think right before I jump, kind of like the white one, I do another pull. So like the white one I catch and I like pull again. So this one, when I'm ready to go, you lead with the feet, but before you actually let go, you pull this way, so you're correcting in the air. That's what it feels like. Rather than just going with feet. Because remember the first time I caught it, I said I was leaning too far back?
Yeah, yeah.
So I think I'm correcting when my feet are at their dead point.
That's it, come on. So good.
I was really nervous of blowing the second part, but after I got the second dyno, the next part wasn't easy. Definitely thought about getting my right foot over, but that would take a lot of core. So I decided to campus, which was I think a good call. And then afterwards, it took a lot of delicate tension because I got my foot over and letting go of an inside hand, I was afraid of creating momentum outward. I was able to almost smear bicycle on the volume where my right foot was and bring it in slowly. So that part was more challenging than I thought. The next move was very similar, but it got better and better.
What I thought was so interesting was that it basically switched gears. You started off with these really dynamic moves that you're not as familiar with, but then as soon as you got your hand out from the cave, you were in your comfort zone and you were delicate controlled throughout.
That's how I usually try to climb. If I can lock it off enough to slow down the movement, I think I might be able to just kick my left foot out. Not under me, but to the far end of the big yellow hold.
Flash, 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 let's go.
Oh God, that was close.
That is it.
I really wanted to reach the hold, almost feeling like I hadn't even let go. So I know it was more like standing up, but yeah, I wanted to reach and not feel any swing until after I controlled the hand. Oh, my head down.
Wow, breaking beta.
Okay, that was close.
What an end to the session.
Oh.
With the flash to
I
close
almost
out
let go.
6 of 6 comp boulders. Wow. Please subscribe to the channel. You'll see Breaking Beta on here a ton. Tell people where they can find you.
People can find me on Instagram at breaking.beta, and then on YouTube, it's just breaking beta without the dot.
Thanks for joining me.
Yeah,
Great
thanks
climbing
for having me.
together.
Get him outside.
I would love it. I would love it. All right. See you later.
See ya.
Bye.